Hey Grace, how you doing? All right, so this is just phenomenal work. There's no question about it. To me, I think the most amazing thing about this work is how the actual areas, the white areas within the lion's mane, are really used as a tool to develop this depth and this volume. And I think it's just a really fantastic. We see it up here, and we can see the stroke is working beautifully with the absence of stroke to create this wonderful volume and this amazing depth. And I just think that's a fascinating technique, specifically over here where the mane meets the lion's head. And that effect is diminished a little bit just to kind of reinforce that that is the origin. Okay, and that of course is not going to have the same kind of volume that we see over here, simply because that is where the origin of the hair is. So I didn't think it's a fascinating, really good pick here. The brushwork and the stroke work is really remarkable. Really remarkable. I think one thing we can really be assured of is the fact that this illustrator used a tablet and a pen, probably a Wacom tablet for this, because it would to try to do this with a mouse. I don't know if you've ever used a tablet. If you haven't, try it. They're amazing. And it's, to try to draw something like this using your mouse is kind of like to sketch Rembrandt style using a rock. It just doesn't translate well. So the natural way of holding, I've got my stylus around here somewhere I've got my tablet right here, but I use my stylus. So when you hold a stylus, you're holding it at like a pen. So you really get the natural contour. You're able to use your wrist and your hands, and you're able to use your manual dexterity, especially in conjunction with pressure sensitivity on the tablet, which just is just an amazing stuff. If you haven't used one and you have an opportunity to, by all means do so. If you don't have an opportunity to, get online and take a look at Wacom tablet and maybe some demonstrations, YouTube demonstrations on how to use a Wacom tablet or illustrating with a Wacom tablet. It's WACOM. And you'll just see it's just really amazing stuff. The one thing that disappoints me, and let me ask you about this. What is your reaction when you compare this really super volumetric hair technique, and then the face is really super minimal? Now, that's not to say the face isn't getting some good depth and good dimension. It is. But I want you to shoot me a response, and I want you to talk about two things. Number one, does the relationship of the face and the kind of really super minimal style of the face in conjunction with the really detailed hair of the mane, does that bother you at all? Does that create an uncomfortable visual tension? Are you okay with it? The other thing I'd like you to answer is, what is the significance of the glasses and the yellow eyes? What does that mean to you? Without knowing anything about the illustration, what is this saying? So shoot me a quick response. I'm really super interested in your response there. So go ahead and address those two questions and as a reply. All right, great job. Thank you very much, Grace. Thank you.